The seat belt can also be very useful when you're not driving. Here are 4 secret hacks using it that many people don't know. Number 1. If your car breaks down on the road and you don't have someone to help push it, just pull the entire belt strap to its limit. Then, close the car door and pass the belt diagonally across your shoulders. This way, you can use the structure of your own body to push the car. But remember, make sure to use this technique on straight roads only, as the vehicle won't gain speed in this situation. Number 2. When buying a used car, always check the full length of the belt. For this, pull the belt strap to its limit. If you notice the presence of mold or any stains, there's a good chance the vehicle has been through a flood. Number 3. Also, when we buy a car, it's recommended to check the production date on the seat belt tag. Open the passenger door and check the production date recorded on the tag. If it's different from the one found in the seatbelt, the car was probably involved in an accident. Number 4. If for any reason you're trapped inside the car and can't get out, the glass can be broken with the metal buckle of the seatbelt. This way you can create an exit through the window and escape in extreme situations.